Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing this thingamajig. So here we go. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, let me pick mine. I think I'm going to get, let's see, what about this one right here? Oh yeah, this is a cool one. There. Okay, now put this right here. And then this right here. And 3, 2, 1. Here we go. There we go. Look at that one. Look how cool that is. Woo! See you guys later. Bye. Make sure you hit that like button. Ring that little bell and make sure you subscribe to this video. Bye.